Hello students, in today's lecture we are discuss about the some properties of the intersection and the union of the two subspaces. Okay, the first of all example is the intersection of and two subspaces is always a subspace. Prove your answer. Okay, we have to show that either intersection, if we have any two subspaces given, then the intersection is the again a subspace or not. Okay, so let us consider the two subspaces. Let S and T be two subspaces. Let S and T be the two subspaces, and let AB belongs to S intersection T. Okay. Let us consider the two subspaces, and we have to show that its intersection, that is we have to show that S intersection T is again a subspace. Right. Now, which are the properties of an subspaces? For showing the subspace, we have to show that which are the properties for showing the subspace. We have to show that S intersection T is again a subspace. For this, which are the property we have to show? We have to show that for any AB belongs to S intersection D, the first property that we have to show, A plus B is also belongs to S intersection T. And the second property is for lambda belongs to field F, lambda into A belongs to S intersection T. Okay. This property we have to show for showing S intersection T is again a subspace of the vector space V. Okay. For this, let us consider A and B belongs to S intersection D. First, and therefore we have to show that, first of all we have to show that A plus B belongs to S intersection T. Now, let us consider as for first property as A and B belongs to S intersection T. As AB belongs to S intersection T, then we know that which are the elements which are present in the S intersection D, which are common to both S and T. As AB are the two element belongs to S intersection D, T implies that AB belongs to S and AB belongs to T. This is implies that AB belongs to S and AB belongs to T. Now, as S and T are subspaces of vector space V. Okay, as we know that S and T are the subspaces of vector space V, implies that as S and T are subspaces, therefore these two properties are satisfied by the S and T. Therefore, as AB belongs to S, A plus B belongs to S, and also as AB belongs to T, A plus B belongs to T. Okay, this first property. Okay, this is implies that as A plus B belongs to S, A plus B belongs to T, implies that A plus B belongs to S intersection D. As this is common to both, implies that A plus B belongs to S intersection T. Thus, the first property is satisfied by the S intersection T. Okay, so for any AB belongs to S intersection T, A plus B belongs to S intersection T. Now we have to show that the second property, for any lambda belongs to field F, we have to show that lambda A belongs to S intersection T for A belongs to S intersection T. Now, as for second property, as A belongs to, let's consider A belongs to S intersection T. As A belongs to S intersection T implies that A belongs to S and A belongs to T. Why this happens? Since A is belongs to, or A is common to both S and T. Okay, and as S and T are subspaces, for any lambda belongs to field F, lambda A belongs to S, lambda A belongs to T. As S and T are the subspaces of the vector space V. Therefore, here lambda is common to both S and T, implies that lambda A belongs to S intersection T. Therefore, the second property is also satisfied by the S intersection T. Thus, yes intersection T is a subspace of vector space V. Okay, so the both properties are satisfied by the S intersection T, implies that S intersection T is a subspace of the vector space V. And when this is happen, when S and T are the subspaces of the vector space V. Now the next is about the union. Okay, example is union of two subspaces, always a subspace, is union of the two subspaces is always a subspace. Okay, so proof here this is does not hold. Here union of the if S and T are the two subspaces, then their union need not be an subspace. Okay, therefore this does not happens. This answer is no. And why? We have for this we have to give an some counter example. So counter example is, let S is equal to, suppose consider the two subspaces of the vector space V. Suppose S is equal to span of 1 0. Suppose S is equal to span of 1 0 and T is equal to span of 0 1. Okay, these are two nothing but the subspaces of the vector space V. Okay, now we have to show that their union is not a subspace. Now consider here S union T is equal to, here S union T is equal to, what is their union? Their union is consisting of an both elements. Okay, which elements are present in the union? The elements belongs to S as well as an T. Okay, therefore it consisting of an 1 0 and the 0 1. Now we have to show that this is not an subspace. Now consider the first property. For any 1 0 and 0 1 belongs to S union T, we have, what is an addition of these two? That is S plus T is equal to the set generated by 1 1. Okay, look at here, what is an S plus T? Addition of these two elements, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. Therefore S plus T is a set generated by 1 1. Okay, that is, but this element S plus T either it belongs to S union T. We know that the property of an subspace, the first property is S plus T is again belongs to that set. Okay, but here for the any two elements, their addition S plus T is order pair 1 1, but this order pair does not belongs to that set of S union T. Here therefore first property is not satisfied. This implies S union T is not an subspace, as S plus T does not belongs to S union T, implies that S union T is not a subspace. S union T is not a subspace or need not be a subspace. Okay, so S union T is need not be a subspace. So these are the conditions on the intersection and the union of the subspaces.